everyone, this is Kristi. I wanted to try to make vellum today. This is one of the pages from the Blassa Beauty Kit. It's a digital download kit. I have printed it out on 28-pound paper, just regular white paper, and yeah, I want to see how this works. Now, I won't lie, I've already tried it once, and I'm excited about it because I'll be doing this again. Now, I have it under here. I have put it between two pieces of paper to kind of absorb, but look at this. I hope you can see how this is the back side, and you can totally see through it. And the texture is completely different. You can hear it. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's in my imagination. But anyway, I put it between these two layers and put it under my mat just to absorb the excess oil because it does use quite a bit of oil. Now, I have printed mine out on HP OfficeJet Pro. I think it's 6968 is the model that I have. I don't have issues with HP ink running. I just don't. But still, I want to do it on the back side. So, I have baby oil. Of course, the ingredients in baby oil is mineral oil and fragrance. So I assume you could do this with just mineral oil. But my room smells wonderful, like a baby. So all I'm going to do is just do some little circles here. And you can see it reacts immediately. It just soaks right in. And it goes right through the paper because when I peel this up, it'll have, oily residue on my mat. Oh, takes me back to when my babies were little. Now they're all grown. I have 2 adult daughters, and my son is a junior in high school, but he's a couple inches taller than his dad. He has a beard. He's a man. Oh, I do miss my littles, that's for sure. Okay. Don't need too much more, but I want to make sure that it is completely saturated. And my hands have been quite dry lately, so maybe this will help with my dry skin. And I'm not, it may sound like I'm rubbing hard, but I'm not. I'm just sliding this around the paper, letting it absorb on its own. There we go. Get around the edges. Wow. I can't believe it's taken me so long to try this. I have seen this, for a long time now. And I thought, wow, that is really cool, but I wonder how, greasy it comes out. But just even immediately, the texture to me is vellumy. So, but you can see there's a whole layer. Uh-oh. I've got too much stuff on my desk. I need a Sunday so I can clean off my desk. All right. Now I want to, you can see it just goes right through onto the other side. So now I'm just picking up the excess. So that doesn't, that doesn't use hardly anything at all. I don't remember what I bought this baby oil for. See? That's why I went ahead and got the 2 other pieces of the copy paper to sandwich it in. But you can see that it's beautiful. I hope you can see through it. That's the front side. This is the back side, so you definitely can see through the paper. And I just thought this page was lovely, so perfect page for that. So I'm going to take a couple of pages of white paper and just sandwich that in between and get a clean cotton kind of clean up my mat. And I will tell you, I had some dried on glue that I was having difficulty removing off of this mat, and the baby oil took it off quite well. So yeah, that makes a good glue remover. I was going to do it on my mat, and then I thought, well, that might just be too much, because you know these mats, the blue mat, they kind of dry out after a while. And but I thought, well, I don't know if you can put oil on it, if it would make further damage or what. I don't remember. I know they used to say soak it in the tub and it just needs more water. So that's why I decided to do it on my nonstick here. If I ruin this, I can throw it away. But I don't think there's going to be an issue. I think it'll be okay. So let me pull that other one out. Just rub off some of this oil off my hands. Okay. Oh, that's just one page. Okay. Where'd it go? Come here. Staticky under there. Okay, so I've been rubbing a little bit on each side here, and there's not a lot of oil coming through, but it is, you know, coming through. So yeah, I think this doesn't feel as greasy as the one that I just did. But I think I'm going to leave it underneath my mat overnight just to see, because I'm sure it will absorb more, and I don't necessarily want the oil to, you know, transfer to the other pages. But I wanted some vellum, a vellum page in the book, and I thought, wow, this is a pretty page. That would look really cool, and you get to see it on both sides, so that's awesome. So anyway, yeah, I like that. I'm going to be doing that again. That was super, super simple. Love the results, and sad that I waited so long to try it. It is a little bit messy, but if you need a little moisture treatment for your hands, there you go. So I hope you try it, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.